Welcome to In with Aishamie. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create your international UK TikTok accounts. What I mean by that is monetizable TikTok accounts, yes, without VPN. You can create this account in anywhere country except from the country that are monetizable. I'm creating this here in Nigeria, but Nigeria TikTok accounts cannot be monetized by posting your content, by posting your video. You can't get paid with it. But with this international TikTok account, you can get paid with your content. Yes, so let's get started. First thing you are going to be doing is to create another new Gmail account that you know that you have not been using before. So try and create the UK TikTok account. Create the new Gmail account. So after creating the Gmail, you now go into your TikTok app, click on it. So you now click on your profile. After clicking on profile, then you see these three dots. You click on these three dots. Yes, then click on setting and privacy. So after clicking on setting, you scroll down, then as if you want to switch account, you click on switch accounts, then you click on add accounts. So after adding accounts, then you click on add another account. So this is what we are going to be doing. Do you see where you see by continuing with an account located in Nigeria? You click that Nigeria to change your location. Then you now scroll down to where you see United Kingdom. Yes, to change your location. So you click on, please don't click on United States though. Click on, if you are in Nigeria, click on United Kingdom. Is very easy because of how to get your payments. It's very easy than United States. So click on United Kingdom. So after clicking on it, then can you see now that by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom? So that's it. So what you are going to be doing is that to continue with Google, please click on continue with Google. So you click on it. So after clicking on Google, then they are going to ask you choose account, choose Google account. So you are going to choose account, the new Gmail account that you created. So you click on it. Then you add your birthday. So you are going to be, please don't choose below 18 years. You have to choose up more than 18 years, like 18 years plus. So let's create one. Let me just find any random date of birth. Then okay, continue. Then create nickname. You can change this nickname at any time. Then continue. Yes, we have created our UK TikTok account. So we click on profile. Click on profile. So how to know that maybe we have created our UK TikTok account? How to know that your account is from TikTok? So click on these three dots, then click on setting and private, then click setting and privacy, then click on accounts, then click on account information. Yes, can you see account region United Kingdom? That's it. So you have created our international TikTok accounts. So That's it. Then to know again that is what's the purpose of why the purpose of creating this account. So let me show you. Click on profile again, and so click on three dots, then click on accounts. So sorry, TikTok Studio. You click on TikTok Studio. So let's wait. That is going to be. Let's wait. Yes. Can you see monetization? Wow, that's it. So this is what can you see monetization program? So this is what we are looking for. Creator reward program. Creator reward programs. Then work with artists. So this creator reward program is not in Nigeria TikTok account. So that's that's how we are going to be creating our international UK TikTok account. So next thing, please, this account, you are going to be leaving this account for, don't start posting after creating this account. Leave this account for like 5 to 7 days. 5 to 7 days before editing, before posting any content, please, so that they will not shadow ban you. TikTok is not going to ban you. TikTok is AI, so they are not going to ban. So leave it for like 5 to 7 days before posting. So that's it. So if you like this video and it's helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, for more information. Thank you. Good luck.